Hey guys, it's Monique from NowYou'reCooking.ca. Today we'll be making a real simple recipe, chili lime yogurt dip. If you're making any type of appetizers, this is a tangy and spicy sauce that will complement any of them. All you need is 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce, half a lime, a garlic clove or 2, a cup of plain Greek yogurt, and salt and pepper. I love using this garlic/ginger grater when I need to mince things like this. The garlic comes out finely mashed and it's so easy to clean. Add the garlic puree to your Greek yogurt and mix. Squeeze in half of a fresh lime. Then add in your sriracha sauce. You could use pretty much any hot sauce for this, but just be cautious of its potency. The last thing you want is whoever's eating this dip to be downing a liter of milk to calm the heat afterwards. Finally, add in your ground black pepper and sea salt. This quick and simple dip pairs well with a variety of yummy snacks, from sweet potato fries to fresh veggies. And because yogurt is used instead of traditional mayonnaise, it helps provide a low-fat alternative to many dips. Remember to check out my other recipe videos. This dip goes well with my crispy breaded mushrooms recipe. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below if there's any other quick dips you'd like to see. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and a printable version of this recipe is available on NowYou'reCooking.ca.